Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Chenelle Beauty, and today I'm coming with a makeup tutorial with a halo eyeshadow look, so stay tuned. So first I'm beginning with an angle brush, and I'm taking a palette that has a shade that is very close to my skin tone, and I'm going to be putting the shadow right above the cut crease area, and I will just be filling it in consistently until I am satisfied with the pigmentation. And I prefer to dab the shadow rather than to stroke it. Sometimes I'll stroke it depending, but I feel like you get a better pigmentation when you dab it. So I'm just going in and filling it in. Then I will take a circular, very small brush, and I'm taking a shade from another palette that is slightly darker than the one closer to my skin tone. And this is going right in the cut crease. You just dab that in, leaving a little space at the top showing the lighter shade. So we are going to be going in with different shades, and the darker it gets, you want to leave like a little bit of the lighter shade so that it can fade well and it has like a nice gradient effect. And I'm also taking it, as you can see, in my inner tear ducts, and then also like on the outer part. So we're kind of like making like a little circle on my eyelid, and I'm just fading it in, leaving a little space of the white in the middle to give that halo look. Then I'm going into another palette, and I am taking a even darker shade in another brush, and I'm going back over the cut crease and breaking it in a little bit more, once again leaving a little bit of the lighter shade at the top so that it can give a nice fade look and gradient effect. And I'm mostly taking this darker shade on the sides of my eyelids, so like once again my inner tear ducts and my outer lash line. I fill it in just a little bit at the top. And then I take the lighter shade that I just used before this one, and I just kind of go over the top part to fade it in a little bit more so it's not as harsh. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm just taking the lighter shade. I do apologize that my light isn't that well, but I will be getting better equipment. And then I'm taking my concealer palette from TJ Maxx, taking a very white shade, and I'm going to be filling that in. I love this concealer palette. I think I got it for a gift, and it was only like $8. I might have paid for it though, but I remember the price being on it, so I probably paid for it. But it's just a really good palette. It has different shades for both highlighting and contouring, so you know, it's very inexpensive. You can get it from like TJ Maxx. Marshalls may sell it as well. So I'm just taking it, and I'm just taking the concealer and putting it right in the middle where the lighter part is, and I'm very just carefully lining it up, trying not to make it too messy, and just filling it in until it's really pigmented. So adding a good amount of product but not too much so that the eyeshadow can pop in the middle. And then I'm going to be taking the darker glitter shade and then also the white glitter shade in these two flat brushes, and I am putting those in the middle. So I will be putting the white glitter right in the middle. I'm putting the white shadow in the middle, and then I'm going to be taking the gold shadow and putting it on both sides of the white. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm just like also fading it a little bit at the ends. Then we add our gold on both sides of the white. And then I'm going to be taking the darker brown shade again and just fading it out with the lighter shade. So that's what I'm doing now. Just fading the shades together so that it doesn't look too harsh. Alright, so excuse my eyelash on that one eye, but this is pretty much how it will look. I put my lash on and then also my eyeliner, and yeah, so this is the halo eyeshadow look, a very basic eyeshadow look. So thank y'all so much for watching. It's your girl Chenelle Beauty, and stay tuned for more videos, and also check out my channel for other videos I have. Thank y'all. Bye.